The first bomb ever dropped from an airplane was a simple hand grenade, tossed from a fragile aircraft over Libya in 1911. That moment sparked a revolution in warfare, introducing the world to the concept of striking from the sky. The bomber evolved from that humble beginning into a symbol of national power and technological achievement. Over the decades, engineers created machines that could fly higher, faster, and further, projecting force across continents. These aircraft became flying fortresses, capable of carrying devastating payloads and navigating by the most advanced technology. The bomber's story is one of relentless innovation, shaping the 20th and 21st centuries. But what makes a bomber truly powerful? Is it speed, size, payload, or stealth? The answer is a blend of all these qualities. Today, we'll meet the undisputed king of the skies, the most powerful bomber ever built. A bomber is a military aircraft designed to attack ground and naval targets by dropping bombs. Unlike fighters, which duel in the air, bombers are built to deliver destruction from afar, like siege engines of the sky. Their purpose is strategic, to cripple infrastructure, factories, and supply lines, changing the course of wars. The bomber's arrival meant no place was truly safe. It could leap over front lines and strike deep into enemy territory. Strategic bombers, the giants of the sky, can fly thousands of miles and deliver massive payloads, including nuclear weapons. These aircraft serve as the ultimate deterrent, projecting a nation's power across the globe. Tactical bombers, meanwhile, support ground troops closer to the front. The ability to field advanced, long-range bombers signals a nation's global reach and military might. Bombers are more than machines. They're instruments of global politics, shaping international relations, and maintaining a fragile peace. Their mere presence can deter aggression and influence the fate of millions. In the stratosphere, they hold the balance of power in their bomb bays. Meet the king, the Tupolev Tu-160, known as the White Swan. Developed in the Soviet Union during the Cold War, its elegant nickname belies its immense power. The Tu-160 was Russia's answer to America's B-1 Lancer, designed to outpace and outcarry its rival. The Tupolev Design Bureau created a bomber that could fly faster, further, and with a heavier payload than anything before. Its first flight in 1981 was shrouded in secrecy. By 1987, its public debut stunned the world. Larger, faster, and with greater range than any Western counterpart, the Tu-160 redefined strategic bombing. It's the heaviest combat aircraft ever built, the largest supersonic aircraft, and the fastest bomber in service. Every aspect of its design was pushed to the limit, making it a symbol of Soviet engineering prowess. Conceived as the ultimate deterrent, the White Swan became the pinnacle of Soviet aviation. It's not just another airplane, it's a flying embodiment of national power. The Tu-160's arrival changed the balance of the skies forever. The Tu-160 is a true giant, nearly 55 meters long with a wingspan to match. Its variable sweep wings can extend for takeoff or sweep back for supersonic flight, making it both versatile and efficient. On the runway, it dwarfs everything around it, a behemoth among aircraft. The cockpit houses a crew of 4, with amenities for long missions, rare luxuries in military aviation. Advanced ejection seats protect the crew at any altitude or speed. The heart of the Tu-160 is its massive internal weapons bays, capable of carrying over 40,000 kilograms of ordnance. Its primary weapons are long-range cruise missiles, which can be launched from far outside enemy territory. This standoff capability means the Tu-160 can strike without ever crossing hostile borders. Its design is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and engineering. The White Swan's scale and versatility make it unmatched in the world of bombers. It's a machine built for global reach and overwhelming force. The Tu-160's supremacy comes from its unmatched speed, range, and payload. Powered by 4 massive NK-32 engines, it can fly at over Mach 2, faster than most interceptors. Its range exceeds 12,000 kilometers, and with aerial refueling, it can reach virtually any target on Earth. The Tu-160 can carry more than 40,000 kilograms of weapons, more than any other bomber. Its main armament, a dozen Kh-55 cruise missiles, each capable of carrying a nuclear warhead thousands of kilometers. This allows the Tu-160 to launch devastating attacks from the safety of its own airspace. The combination of speed, range, and payload makes it a strategic weapon of global significance. It can approach targets at high subsonic speeds, accelerate to Mach 2 for a quick strike, and escape before defenses can react. The Tu-160's ability to deliver overwhelming force from afar is what makes it the world's most powerful bomber. It's a weapon system designed for deterrence and for dominance. No other bomber matches its blend of performance and firepower. The White Swan is the ultimate guardian of the skies. To understand the Tu-160's dominance, let's compare it to its American rivals. The B-1 Lancer, its direct competitor, shares the swing-wing design but is smaller, slower, and carries less payload. The B-1 excels at low-altitude, high-speed penetration, but the Tu-160 outpaces it in every major category. The Tu-160's high-altitude, high-speed dash capability sets it apart. Against the B-2 Spirit, the comparison shifts. The B-2 is a stealth bomber designed to be invisible rather than fast. The B-2 sneaks in undetected. The Tu-160 relies on speed and standoff range to overwhelm defenses. Both represent different philosophies, stealth versus raw power. The B-2 is the silent assassin. The Tu-160 is the thundering warlord. Each is formidable, but the Tu-160's combination of speed, range, and payload makes it a unique threat. It's a machine that announces its presence with a sonic boom. In the world of bombers, the White Swan stands alone. The Tu-160's story is intertwined with the end of the Cold War and the collapse of the Soviet Union. After 1991, Ukraine inherited more than half the fleet, leading to years of tense negotiations with Russia. Some bombers were returned to Russia, others dismantled, a surreal fate for such powerful machines. Today, the Tu-160 is a tool of Russian foreign policy, flying long-range patrols near NATO airspace as a show of strength. These flights are calculated messages reminding the world of Russia's strategic reach. The Tu-160 saw its first combat use in Syria, launching cruise missiles from hundreds of miles away. This demonstrated its precision strike capability and modern relevance. The White Swan is more than a relic. It's an active player in global power politics. Its presence shapes military planning and international relations. The Tu-160's shadow stretches from the Cold War to today's conflicts. It remains a symbol of deterrence and of Russia's enduring military might. The Tu-160 represents the zenith of Soviet aviation, pushing the limits of materials, aerodynamics, and engine technology. Its development perfected the concept of standoff attack, striking from afar with long-range missiles. This forced adversaries to rethink air defense, spurring advances in radar and missile technology. After the Soviet collapse, the Tu-160 program nearly vanished, but Russia revived it with the modernized Tu-160M2. The new version features state-of-the-art electronics, navigation, and weaponry, keeping the bomber relevant in the 21st century. Restarting production required rebuilding supply chains and expertise, a testament to the bomber's strategic value. The Tu-160's legacy is one of survival, adaptation, and continued influence on military strategy. Even in the age of drones and cyber warfare, the strategic bomber remains vital. The White Swan endures as a symbol of technological ambition and national power. Today, the Tu-160 White Swan remains the flagship of Russia's long-range aviation. Upgraded to the Tu-160M2 standard, it stays at the forefront of military technology. The bomber is a key part of Russia's nuclear triad, providing flexible, visible deterrence. Its patrols are a constant reminder of Russia's global reach and influence. For Russia, it's a source of pride. For others, a challenge to be respected. The decision to restart production signals a new era of great power competition. The Tu-160 is more than an aircraft. It's a living symbol of enduring power and engineering mastery. As it soars through the stratosphere, the White Swan remains a silent, powerful guardian of the skies.